Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a financial safety net with Chime step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Take note of your income, expenses, and any existing debts. Determine how much you can set aside for your financial safety net each month. Next, download the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account by providing the necessary personal information. Link your existing bank account to facilitate easy transfers. Once your account is set up, explore the Roundup Savings feature. Enable the Roundup feature to automatically save spare change from your daily purchases. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account within Chime. Decide on a target amount for your safety net, aiming for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Monitor your spending using Chime's budgeting tools to stay on track. Adjust your monthly contributions as needed to reach your safety net goal. Utilize Chime's alerts to keep you informed about your account balance and spending patterns. Review your progress regularly to stay motivated. Once you reach your target, reassess your financial goals. Remember to maintain your safety net by continuing to save regularly. Implement these steps consistently for a secure financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.